you're trying to get money and you're trying to feel safe. Because before you had your safety of 25th of the month, there you go, payday, payday. And we're trained into that pattern. Money, no money, money, no money. You become an entrepreneur and you go, where's the money? It's 25th of the month, oh my goodness. And so do you see how you come from lack into entrepreneurship? You don't come from abundance. Most people don't. They're like, what's the strategy? How am I going to get money? How am I going to pay the bills? So we can have all the positive mindset in the world and come from lack. Absolutely. And I understand your journey, because that's exactly what happened. It's so positive. Every single person who's listening to this, they wouldn't be listening to it, for goodness sake, if they weren't positive. And so you got such a positive mindset, but that's only 2%. Mm-hmm. That's only 2%. The 98% in your subconscious, if that's coming from lack in getting, trying to be safe, it's like running on a treadmill and not getting anywhere. So that's where the lack of confidence, I would say, comes from with people. And we see that a lot, especially with